How to wipe data permanently. In this tutorial, we will show you step-by-step process to wipe data permanently using the Forensics Wipe software. To install the Forensics Wipe software, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch it. This tool provides user with 3 different wipe options: Wipe Disk option, Wipe Partition option, and Wipe Folders and Files option. Let's see each wipe option in detail. Wipe Disk option allows the user to wipe the entire disk. User can select disk to wipe using the checkbox available next to each disk installed in the system. Click on Back button to go back to the main page. Wipe Partition option allows the user to wipe a particular partition of the disk. Wipe Folders and Files option allows the user to wipe the data of the selected folders or files. This option provides user with dual options. To wipe data, user can select Load Folder option or Load File option as per their requirement. Now let's also see the wipe process. Select the preferred wipe option and select the disk to wipe data. For this demonstration, let's select USB drive and click on Next button. Next step is to select the wipe type and the level of the wipe. Wipe Free Space option will only wipe the free space available within the selected drive. Wipe Total Space option will wipe all the data available within the selected drive. Next to the wipe type options, there are levels to select the depth of the wipe: simple, advanced, complex, and very complex. After selecting the desired wipe settings, it's time for the wipe process. Simply click on the Wipe button. A warning indicating that the data will be deleted permanently will appear on screen. Click on Yes to confirm, and wipe process will begin. After some time, a pop-up will appear on screen indicating that the wipe process was completed. Click on OK, and you'll be redirected to the main page. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.